Hi, friends! It's Christmas time!
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Today, we're going to learn fun Christmas characters and magical places. Can you say Christmas? Great job! Are you ready? Let's learn together. Santa Claus. Santa Claus. Santa Claus. Look who it is. He wears a bright red suit and brings presents on Christmas Eve. Santa Claus. Let's pretend to carry Santa's big bag. Lift it up. Whoa, it's heavy. Now give your best ha ha ho. Nice job saying Santa Claus. Mrs. Claus. Mrs. Claus. Mrs. Claus. She helps Santa get everything ready for Christmas. Mrs. Claus. She is kind, warm, and loves baking cookies. Let's pretend to stir a big mixing bowl. Mix, mix, mix. Give her a big wave and say, "Hi, Mrs. Claus." Elf. 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 These little helpers work in Santa's workshop. Elf. They build toys, wrap gifts, and giggle a lot. Let's pretend to hammer a toy. Tap, tap, tap. Reindeer. 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 They help Santa fly through the sky. They have strong legs and big antlers. Reindeer. Let's pretend to gallop like a reindeer. Gallop, gallop, gallop. Take a deep breath and say, "Reindeer." Rudolph. Rudolph. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. He has a shiny nose that lights up the night. Rudolph. Let's touch our noses and say, "Beep, beep," like Rudolph's glowing light. Now try saying Rudolph slow and fast. Snowman. 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 Frosty and fun. A snowman has a carrot nose, button eyes, and a cozy scarf. Snowman. Let's roll big snowballs. Roll, roll, roll. Stack them up. Give your snowman a wiggle and say, "Snowman." Gingerbread Man. Gingerbread Man. Gingerbread Man. So cute and yummy looking. He has frosting buttons and a big smile. Gingerbread Man. Let's pretend to run like him. Run, run, run. Now freeze and say, "Gingerbread Man." Angel. 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 This beautiful ornament sits gently on the tree. Angel. She has soft wings and a glowing halo. Let's flap our arms like angel wings. Flutter, flutter. Take a calm breath and whisper, "Angel." Nutcracker. 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 Tall, colorful, and very brave. He stands guard and helps protect the Christmas tree. Nutcracker. Let's stand tall like a nutcracker. Straight and strong. Say Nutcracker with a big, strong voice. Penguin. 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 Penguins love cold, snowy places. They waddle, slip, and slide on the ice. Penguin. Let's waddle together. Waddle, waddle, waddle. Give a happy flap, flap, and say, penguin. Polar bear. Polar bear. Polar bear. This little ornament looks big, white, and fluffy. Polar bears love snow and icy oceans. Polar bear. Let's pretend to walk like a slow, strong bear. Stomp, stomp. Say polar bear. Santa's helper. Santa's helper. Santa's helper. They work with Santa to make Christmas magical. Helpers wrap gifts, check the list, and spread cheer. Santa's helper. Let's pretend to wrap a present. Fold, tape, pat. Give a bright smile and say, Santa's helper. Now let's look at some Christmas places and scenes. These are the special places we see during Christmas time. Are you ready? Let's go explore. Fireplace. 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 Warm, cozy, and glowing. It keeps the house toasty on snowy winter nights. Fireplace. Let's warm our hands by the fire. Rub, rub, ah. Say fireplace in a soft, warm voice. Fireplace log. Fireplace log. Fireplace log. Big pieces of wood for the fire. They crackle and pop while they burn. Fireplace log. Let's pretend to place a log in the fire. Lift, set, crackle. Say fireplace log slowly with me. Santa's workshop. Santa's workshop. Santa's workshop. Busy, magical, and full of happy elves. All the toys are made here before Christmas. Santa's workshop. Let's pretend to hammer a toy. Tap, tap, tap. Say, Santa's workshop. Amazing! Chimney. 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 Tall and standing on top of the house. That's where Santa climbs down on Christmas Eve. Chimney. Let's look up high, way up. There's the chimney. Say chimney. Great looking. Christmas market. Christmas market. Christmas market. Bright, colorful, and full of holiday cheer. Christmas market. People shop for treats, ornaments, and warm snacks. Let's pretend to walk through the market. Step, step, look around. Say Christmas market, so festive. Snowy forest. Snowy forest. Snowy forest. Quiet, white, and peaceful. Tall trees are covered in fluffy snow. Snowy forest. Let's tiptoe through the forest. Tiptoe, hush. Say snowy forest, beautiful. Living room. Living room. Living room. Warm and cozy during the holidays. Sometimes there's a tree, stockings, and twinkly lights. Living room. Let's sit down on our pretend couch. Sit, bounce. Say living room. Great job. Sleigh. 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 Santa's magical ride through the night sky. It glides across the snow, pulled by reindeer. Sleigh. Let's hold the reins. Pull and whoosh. Say sleigh. Ho, ho, ho! Sled. 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 Kids ride it down snowy hills. It's fast, slippery, and so much fun. Sled. Let's lean forward and slide. Whoosh! Say sled with excitement. Snow hill. Snow hill. Snow hill. Tall, snowy, and perfect for sliding. Kids climb up and speed down on sleds. Snow hill. Let's pretend to climb the hill. Step, step. Almost there. Say snow hill. Amazing climbing! You did such a great job today. You learned Christmas characters and places. I'm so proud of you. If you want to learn more Christmas words, come back and learn with me again. Bye, friends!